Hello, gorillas. I'm your boy, Chef Perry, the vegan gorilla. Today we're going to make a little chocolate blueberry fudge popsicles, gorilla style. Gorilla pops. Let's make some gorilla pops. Simple ingredients. With the nice weather out, they're a great treat to have. They're healthy, not like full of sugar of the other stuff. So what you need is a mold of some sort. So I have these. I've had for a while. And these hold about 4 ounces each. I got 6 of them, so that's 24 ounces, 3 cups. So, I mean, you can pick these up anywhere, in a dollar store, you get on Amazon, wherever you want. But they're easy, they're great, they sit right in the inside of the freezer, easy to use. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to throw everything in Chia, a little ninja, to get things started. So I'm going to use 3 cups. Mind you, because I'm using blueberries, chia seeds, and some chocolate, it'll be a little bit more than, sorry, I put a little bit less than 3 cups in, so I'm going to do about 1.5 cups. Hopefully that'll work. Allow for the extra volume taken up with all the other stuff there. I'll put some chia seeds in. I put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now these aren't going to be like chia pudding, where they swell up a lot, because it's not going to have enough time to swell up. Typical chia pudding, you would leave it overnight, or at least 6-7 hours in the fridge, not the freezer, for it to absorb everything, swell up. But that's not what we're doing here. We're just going to have it in there as extra protein, the omega-3s, all the good stuff in there. So let's give this a quick spin on the Ninja. Back here. Just wanted to make sure that I get mixed up in there really good. Then I'm going to throw some blueberries. I got frozen blueberries here. Here, still frozen. So I'm going to put some of those in there. I don't know. You know what? Let's just put them all in there. About 1/2 cup in there. I'll blend those so that they puree a little bit more. You get a little bit of the skins in there and stuff, but it won't be so lumpy. So far for palm trees are leading us. A little more of this. Okay, so I didn't want it on there too long, just a few seconds, just so that it purees a little bit and blends in well. And now, some Lindt dark chocolate, about 1/2 cup here. I just broke it up in my hands, nice and chunky. And yes, ladies, the chunkier the better. Nothing wrong with it, chunky. I would know. Put that back in there. A little shake, shake. Now, should I leave these pure like that, whole? Should I give them a little pulse? Okay. Now we're going to get ready for the molds. Get our towel. Clean up and oil free. And more. All right. There. And before we forget, which we should never forget, the most important ingredients, the lula. That's right, a little love. Always add that love. Okay, look at our molds. And let's pour it back in here so that we can pour it a little bit easier. Oh, those chocolates really did plump up pretty quickly. All right. Let's see what we got. Not quite to the top, but just enough to leave a little bit of room for breathing. There. Now you can add anything in here. It doesn't have to be blueberries, or I would recommend putting the chia seeds in though, because it's a good source of protein, omega-3s, and chia seeds has got so many benefits to it. Unless you have any allergies, obviously not. And the chocolate I used was a 70% cacao dark chocolate. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Some lumpy stuff. So top, also top. All right. See what we got left at the bottom. Oh, there's some good stuff on the bottom. So we're gonna put that in. Mostly the chocolate. And add that chocolate in. That's why I didn't fill it right up to the top yet. Just enough room for each one. Nice chocolate blueberry. Gonna be good. I use quite a bit of chocolate too, so which is good. All right, awesome. So let's put these on. The little hole goes down on this one, anyways. They clip in and squirt at you at the same time. Push it in. Let it squirt. Two out of 6 squares. Not bad. Get this up there so that it cleans up nice. All right. So now I'm going to throw this in the freezer, probably about 3 hours, and I'll come back, show you the end results, do a little taste test, some gorillas, 1 to 5, and we'll see how good they are. All right, back in a bit. To the freezer. Hello, gorillas. I'm back with our chocolate blueberry gorilla pop. Nothing like one of these. Nice warm weather. Oh. The nice chocolate and iced milk, and the blueberry, hint of blueberry in there, a little bit of chia, and the chocolate, dark chocolate in there, a little bit of bites. This is awesome. They're really good. Great for a summertime snack. It's healthy, not a lot of sugar in it, so try these out. Give it a shot. What do you think? I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 gorillas. 5 out of 5. Because these are just awesome. Nothing like a gorilla pop. If I don't see you again, or I do see you again, namaste, much love, be kind. I'll see you later.